Hey guys, it's Pua. I'm coming to you today with a PR review from Pixi. So, entering in the Glow Tonic skincare line from Pixi. Over the next month or so, honestly just for the rest of my life, because I have to get my shit together about my skincare, I'm going to be using all of Pixi on my skin, and I'm just going to show you guys everything I got. So yes, step 1, cleanse your face through a natural exfoliator, and then you tone with this Glow Tonic. Step 3 is to treat with this serum. 4 is to hydrate your face. Now this is gotta be water-based. Yeah, the first ingredient is water. That's how you know it's actually good, because I mean, humans are made of water. We need a lot of water, and if you're not drinking a lot of it, you need to be putting it on your skin. Step number 5 is to moisturize your face with this deodorant stick of a lotion. It's super good. So last looks before we get to the video. So if you guys ever see me in real life or on my IG or in my Snapchat, this to the bun is what I wear 99.999% of the time. I only take my hair out of it when I'm taking a photo. Like, that's it. Or like going to the store or whatever. This is the most comfortable way to wear your hair, and it keeps your ends healthy and away from the sun. That way your hair can grow super long. When you're using the cleansing gel, you're gonna wanna rub it into your skin without water. This is because it has an exfoliator in it, and you're gonna want it to do its job on its own without the water washing it out. This way it cleans all the dirt and all the makeup out of your face. And then when you feel like you've worked the product in enough, you can rinse it off with warm water. I went in with a washcloth afterwards to kind of get everything around the perimeter, but that's completely optional. After this, my face felt so clean, like it has never felt clean before. It was insane. So next I'm gonna go in with the Glow Tonic toner, and I'm just gonna pat that all over my face with 2 cotton rounds. This way it gets it all over evenly, and I don't have to drag my skin at all. I'm just patting all over and letting it dry completely. Out of everything in the collection, the Glow Tonic serum is my absolute favorite, and this is why. When I put on the Glow Tonic toner, my face got super red in my T-zone area, and I got super scared because I was like, oh my god, I'm not going to be able to use this. But the serum chilled my whole face out. So soothing. So something cool about this entire Glow collection is that all of the items have aloe in it, besides the last one. I mean, having aloe in a skincare line is like second nature. It's the most perfect thing. It cools, calms, and it tightens. This is what this collection did to me. It made my skin so perky and plump. And I mean, I've never done anything like this with my face. I usually just wash it and go. But now I'm seeing that like you really gotta go the longest yard and cleanse, tone, fix, moisturize. I mean, this has done wonders for my face, and it's only been 2 days. Like, come on. I'm actually really excited that I got this, because I've been in the market looking for things to help me with my skin, keep my complexion even, because I noticed I was getting like not so much like acne, but just other issues that, you know, you don't want to linger. The line, super cool. Let me know if you guys are trying to get your skincare right, get your skincare together, and talk to me on IG or on here, and share with me some tips, because like for the first time in my life I'm like actually taking care of my skin. I mean, when I put on my makeup today, it went on so smoothly. Like, and I'm not even wearing foundation today. This is just concealer and a little bit of contour. That's it. But my skin feels super soft, bouncy as heck. I mean, it just glided on. Everything was super easy. Even my nose, like, it's not oily, it's just hydrated. It felt so good. So I think it's raining outside. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm so thankful that you guys are watching this. And thank you to Pixi as well. Hashtag Pixi Glow Story. Gonna get my skin right for the summertime. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Love you guys. Bye.